What's tire and wheel road hazard coverage? What is that? Scott, what's tire and wheel road hazard coverage?
Let's say you're going down the road and hit a porcupine, hit a deer, hit a nail. It's covered up for a certain
Let's
amount of
back
miles.
up. I like the nail part. I'm not sure porcupine and deer qualify. Okay? Although the way the policy's written, if you hit something that's not supposed to be in the road, porcupines and deers aren't supposed to be in the road. I got a feel if you hit a deer, it's going to be do a lot more damage than just a tire.
You might need a painless deer removal for that.
Yeah, or a front end redo. Keep going. Stick with the nail in a pothole. How about that?
You live in Missouri. These roads are like the surface of the moon.
Right.
Whenever you're driving along, going to grandma's house, flat tire, don't worry about it. You're covered with your brand new.
So if I blow a tire, what will you do? Fix or replace it. Fix it if it's fixable, replace it if it's not fixable. If I hit something hard enough to bend or break my wheel to the point where it will not hold air, what will you do?
Fix or replace.
In most cases, it's going to be replace. Okay, but fix or replace is correct. Okay? So, you're going to cover my tires and my wheels against road hazards. You're going to cover my wheels against curb scrapes. You're going to cover my dings and dents. By the way, how many dings and dents will you fix for me during the first 6 months? Unlimited number. Okay? What else do I get?
Somebody to take care of your folks. Go ahead. I thought you were asking. Sorry, Scott.
Roadside assistance.
Roadside assistance. Someone explain roadside assistance to me, like I'm a customer. What's roadside assistance?
Break down, have a flat, run out of gas, send somebody to come pick you up or get you some gas.
You'll change my tire for me. You bring me gas. You'll jump me off. You'll tow me if necessary, and you'll unlock my car if I need it, right? That's roadside assistance. Okay? What else?
Windshield repair.
Windshield repair. Tell me how windshield repair, not replace. Tell me how windshield repair works.
If you're driving behind a dump truck with a bunch of rocks, this will happen the first minute you pull out on the road. The little star becomes born. Get it done quick because we can refill it before it starts getting worse. Bring it back in.
Okay. What if the star is in the driver's line of sight?
If the star is in the driver's line of sight.
By Missouri law, they cannot fix that. Insurance company has to replace the windshield. Okay, that's Missouri law. All right, to the select 5. How long is it good for? How many miles?
Unlimited.
What are the deductibles? Say again? Zero deductibles.
Oh, what was the 50 one?
The 50 is for the 6-month, 6,000 mile powertrain warranty.